Hey guys, Star here. If you're an agency owner who offers voice AI services and you want to feature your voice AI agent directly on your website and not just in the corner, but anywhere on your website, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're going to go ahead and click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, then I want you to go ahead and select Chat Widget. Here you're going to have the option to create a web chat for your website. So we're going to go ahead and select New. And in this case, we want to go ahead and create the Voice AI widget for your website. So we're going to go ahead and select Voice AI. Now do note that you do already need to have your Voice AI set up in order for this to work. So once you've logged in, you're going to have a variety of options for the style. And this is very important. We're going to focus on the embedded inline. So this is going to allow us to embed this particular Voice AI widget anywhere on your website. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to go ahead and select the chat icon that you want to use, or if you have a photo that you want to upload, you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and stick with this first one. Then you can select your theme. So if you have a specific color that you want to have on your chat widget, you can go ahead and select that, or you can customize it as well. And here you can go ahead and put in your branding color. I'm going to stick with this blue one. Then you have the website customization. So for the avatar, you can select any of the options here, or you can replace them with your own photo or a representative from your team or any photo that you want to replace that with. Now, once you've done that, we're going to head on over to the chat window. You have your title. You can go ahead and enter in whatever you want to add here. Then we're going to select on additional options. Here you can toggle your agency branding off or on, and you can go ahead and change whatever you'd like for that to say. If you're going to toggle it on, don't forget to add in your website URL. That will be mandatory. We're going to go ahead and toggle this off. Now, once we've updated the chat window, you can check out our messaging where you can select the language that you're going to use. And then you also have the option for the agent. So here's where you're going to select the Voice AI agent that you're going to be using for this particular website widget. So for this chat widget, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Once it's been successfully saved, I'm going to get the code. Okay, now this is very important that you copy this code. So we're going to go ahead and click on copy so that we can copy this code. And now I'm going to show you how to embed this directly on your website. It is so quick and easy. So now that we've saved this, because we don't want to lose the work that we've done, I'm going to go ahead and click back. So now we're going to go to sites on the left-hand side. So we've created our AI chat widget for our website, for our AI voice agent. And now what we're going to do is you can go to your funnels or your website. So in this case, I'm going to go to a website that we already have created for a marketing agency. And I'm going to just show you how to quickly embed the CSS coding for the voice AI chat widget that we just created. So I'm going to find the section that I want to feature this on. So once you've selected where you want this to go on your website, so you do not have to put it like in the lower corners or anything like that, we can directly have it where you want it placed. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick add, and I'll search for code, then just drag that code where you want the voice agent to appear. So once I've done that, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on open the code editor. I'm simply going to go ahead and copy and paste that script that we copied from our chat widget. And then I'm going to go ahead and select save. Okay, so you can go ahead and save and publish. Now let's go ahead and preview our site that we were able to embed our voice AI agent anywhere on our website that we want. So this is fully customizable so that you can feature this anywhere on your website or funnels. So go ahead and embed your own voice AI agent anywhere on your website using our Embed Inline feature. It's important to note that this will also work in addition to the chat bubble. So you can have the chat bubble and you can embed the voice AI agent on your website in multiple places. This is such an incredible feature. And it's important to note that this is also mobile responsive. So go ahead and check out our corresponding help doc and check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials just like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.